דוקטור ארנו פנזיאס, סגן נשיא מעבדות בל בארצות הברית, זכה בפרס נובל בפיזיקה על תרומתו לתיאוריית המפץ הגדול.
I think of science as part of the physical world. I think that the physical world is all we as physical people have to learn about the physical world and whatever lies beyond it. And the evidence we have from the physical world does not contradict, and in fact leads many of us to believe that there is more to the world than what we see and what we can prove. But certainly I see no contradiction between the evidence of physical reality and that which we believe. Well, I think you know that the sun, our sun, is a star. It's one of a cloud of 100 billion stars in the Milky Way, our galaxy, and that the universe, everything else, is made up of empty space with galaxies in it, like the Milky Way, billions of them. And when we look out in the sky, these galaxies are moving away from us and from one another. And the start of that outward flight is what we call the Big Bang, because there is nothing to have started them in the world now, and that event which did start them, presumably, as far as we can tell, was an event at which time the laws of physics changed from whatever they were, if they existed at all, into what they are today. It's an event, it's a beginning, a creation out of nothing, if you will. We know that there have been contradictions in the past, at different times, different scientific pictures, such as the eternity of matter from Aristotle's day. And the Rambam said in the Guide for the Perplexed, in these matters take no notice of the words of any man, for it is the foundation of our faith that God created the universe from nothing. That time did not exist before because it depends on the motion of the sphere, and that too was created. So you have matter, time, and space created simultaneously. And if you read Einstein's general relativity, that's what it's all about. Matter, time, and space related to one another. I think that we have to understand that there are two different things. Religion explains the world. It says why. Science says what. Science describes the world as we see it. Religion gives it meaning.